So we just released the version 2 of Slant 3D's 3D printing API to where developers can connect their applications straight into our print farms and have us print and ship items for them. But let's go ahead and go through 5 of applications that could be built right now by anybody out there who's a developer with some spare time if they're wanting to make a little bit of money. The first application, make a cookie cutter maker. You can make a very simple application where somebody could just draw or upload an image and immediately make a simple cookie cutter for them. And then they can order that cookie cutter for 15 to 20 bucks. And then the STL can be generated and Slant 3D can print and ship that cookie cutter to the person. They could do signatures. They could do sick messages like, oh, get better soon, signed whoever. Turn that into a cookie cutter. And then you can run on all of our infrastructure to get those items printed and shipped out. It's a very simple app. You could probably vibe code the stupid thing and just turn loose a lovable website. All of that is very easy to do. Number 2, a Lithophane maker. Right now, there are a couple of Lithophane makers out there. It's Litho and Lithophane Maker. They generate Lithophanes that then have a small little nightlight included in it. On the Slant 3D API, we can include nightlights along with the 3D prints, along with a bunch of other third-party parts, including light pucks and all kinds of other stuff. We'll get to those in a minute. But you could create an app where somebody can upload an image, create a black and white height map out of it that then imprints onto a Lithophane that then has a standard mount that plugs on to a nightlight. Quite frankly, you could probably just sort of copy Lithophane Maker and build a similar sort of app, and then you can go ahead, have that model sent to the API, and we will print and ship a full nightlight with the light straight to the customer. I would recommend marketing this towards like engagement photos and that kind of thing, but so many of these applications are to make 3D printing an enabler for some sort of product. Because you could run Facebook ads, some 40-year-old mom could say, I love cookie cutters. She can make her own cookie cutter that's a little heart with an arrow through it, and then that cookie cutter shows up, and that's a fantastic customer experience. The next application somebody could make, custom vase maker. This could be a very simple parametric thing where people can just move sliders on the side, and then the vase gets bigger and taller and wider and fatter, and you change splines on it and you set it to different settings. There are a few applications out there that do that, but again, pretty simple to generate. You can use an OpenSCAD server in order to generate the main model and have the parametric settings inside of there. And if you don't know OpenSCAD code, ChatGPT, OpenAI, Claude, they all write pretty darn good OpenSCAD code. You can also look at our Conjure application, which uses an AI model generator and AI with a core OpenSCAD model to generate models on demand for people. Number 4, you could use custom enclosures. So people with a Raspberry Pi or some other sort of PCB could use a custom enclosure. And if you're wanting to build this application, reach out to us and we'll add in whatever material you need for this. But you can have a baseline enclosure that can then be scaled up and down, have sprues added in, maybe some sort of interface where you're placing standoffs, that kind of thing, or uploading a PCB design and then it designs an enclosure around it. This is not that difficult of an application. There is a good MVP out there for it to where it could just be an internal tool, but people can configure the basic design of the enclosure, and then the top and bottom can be printed off by us and shipped directly to them. And last but certainly not least, gamer tags. If you want to create a customizable item for this, here on this YouTube channel, we have this wonderful blue glowing background. Gamers will very often have a tag back here with their name or their logo on it. You could design a brick with a light puck in the back of it that is the baseline model. And then on the front of it, have people upload their logo and it's a gamer tag that imprints onto that brick. And then you can backlight it with that lamp and they have a lit up custom gamer tag in the back that's not just neon or some laser cut part, but could actually look really sick, and you could create other baseline models from it. All of those could run through the Slant 3D API and you build an application on top of it. But now you don't have to worry about printing parts, shipping parts, getting them packed up. All of these items are printed out on good high quality machines in whatever material or color you want, and then you can include third-party parts and get them shipped out. And none of that costs anything to start using until you start getting sales. The API is totally free and open access for anybody who wants to use it. So if you want to check it out, I recommend trying it out. And if you're even not a software developer and you're just comfortable doing a little bit of vibe coding, you can probably build some pretty interesting applications. So check that out over at the slant3dapi.com.